Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily use the tap to pay with Cash App on Android. So let's jump right into it. First you open the Google Wallet application and wait for it to load up. It should look like this. Of course you have to be logged in with your Google account in the Google Wallet application. Now right here you tap on Add to Wallet in the bottom right corner right here. You'll get all of these options. The one we'll need to use is the one at the top, the payment card one. Go ahead and tap on it and wait for the screen to load up. By the way guys, it won't let me record the screen here for security reasons. As you can see, it's a black screen. Basically the camera app will open up where you can take a pic of your card to fill up the information automatically. You can choose to tap in the button to fill up the information manually, and once you do that you can go ahead and use the tap to pay option on places where it's available. Your phone has to have the NFC option and also the cashier, as you can see guys here. And this is it for this video. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.